possible. Chad, baby. How are you guys doing this beautiful afternoon? I hope you guys are locked and loaded and ready to go. I know the Iron 2000 guys, you guys are eating today. Getting a little bit choppy, to the end of it, but this thing has just been delivering after delivering after delivering today. So again, I'm sure you guys cannot be complaining. But as you guys can see, with that little bit of hot weather after yesterday, Chris got another tan again. So when he's a little bit more tan, we like to refer to him as Big Man Ed. How are you doing today, my brother?
Feeling good, feeling froggy, ready to tackle New York.
There we go. Beautiful, beautiful stuff. Chad, I hope you guys are ready. It is going to be good. Not really a lot happening on the fundamental side. We will obviously go over that and we'll talk about all that. But nothing you guys need to worry about. So we are really going to be able to lock in and see what the charts are going to give and what they're going to provide for us. Really looking forward to it, Chad. But without further ado, let's get into it. And as per normal, I'm going to ask my big man, my co-host here today, Ed, if you don't mind opening us up with a prayer, brother.
But of course, Chad, let's bow our heads in prayer. Dear Heavenly Father, we come to you today. We are about to endeavor in what is likely going to be one of the most stressful parts of our day. So we ask you to be in our hearts, help calm our minds, help calm our hearts, help remove all the feelings of greed and frustration that naturally come as a result of what we're about to go into. Please let us feel light, let us feel inspired, and let us feel blessed so that we can provide for ourselves and provide for our families through the markets this afternoon. We pray this in your heavenly name. Amen.
Amen. Beautiful stuff there, Chad. If you guys are in agreement, you can drop an amen, because we know where there's more than two, he is here and present with us. Chad, but then let's get right into it. Let's have a look at what these charts are cooking up here for us. So we're going to start off mental chat, and as you guys can see, a lot of PMI, but again, end of the day, a whole bunch of yellow folders for us. Going into New York session, literally nothing. USD bond auctions later, but even at 7 o'clock, and that is it. But we all know what the main event is for this week, and that is tomorrow evening. FOMC, Big Daddy Powell coming out. Is he going to be in that red tie or purple tie? We're going to have to wait and see tomorrow. But that is the main event for this week, FOMC press conference. So we're going to have a look and see what happens tomorrow. But for today, let's focus on what there is. And again, that is going to lead us to the charts. So let's start us off with DXY. What are we looking at here, guys? So DXY, very simply, I'm still leaning a bit more to the bearish side. Yes, we are neutral, and we are neutral because of yesterday's reaction, giving us a bit more of a bearish outplay. But today needs to now confirm that bearish outplay. So hence we're going to stay a little bit more neutral. But definitely looking towards that. The 4-hour really starting to drop off over here now at those previous daily lows. So on market open, this is literally going to become the make or break. Do we fake out having to move like this, or do we break market open, trying to get back up, hold underneath, and then we drop to the downside? So going to be quite interesting what happens over here with the dollar. Over to NASDAQ, we are still again very much bearish with the neutral outlook. Again, the reason being that we are at the yearly pivot. We did break above, failed to hold at this key area, dropping back down. So now we are at the yearly pivot. So that means the big thing for us is we want to see, do we find support here? If we continue to break and drive lower, then we are going to be going for that bearish move. Especially on the 4-hour, you can see already what has happened. We had firstly a break underneath. We then kept that retest, holding resistance, but not only turning bearish, but also breaking underneath the weekly pivot. So the same thing, it's just going to keep building and building up. If we continue this momentum, we're most likely going to go for those lows and then back down to this daily key level over there if we are going to have that bearish move, which again, I do kind of prefer at the moment. US30 on that other side, again guys, same thing, bearish with a neutral outlook. The big difference for me here is, unlike NAS, where we are seeing it really start going bearish already, USD hasn't even tested the yearly pivot, so that's the one they want to hold and worry about, which leads me to the next thing. We are at a daily key level, which we did test, then failed bearish. But again, if you have traded with me long enough, you know what I like to see when I see a doji on indices, especially on the daily time frame. So could this always turn around? We're going to have to keep a lookout for that one. Just be careful But when we do go to the 4 hour, it is lining up very, very similar to NASDAQ. The weekly pivot, as we can see, is underneath us. So do we trade down towards it? And then it's the same thing. Can we break underneath, hold, because then we go to the key level. And if this key level breaks, our target monthly pivot, which is all the way back down there for us. So is this going to be pullback now of the indices? And then lastly, with gold, we're already in the bars over here with Iron 2000. So some people might have missed that, but we'll see what's happening there in a little bit. But trading bullish, we said again, this is going to be a very, very bullish market, because what happens, we held the monthly pivot, got back above that yearly resistance. Now we're already above the weekly R1, and we spoke to the guys this morning about it. Is if you've been around, if you've been trading with us, if we hold a daily R1, what's happening? We're going to a daily R2. So very, very simple stuff there for us. On the 15-minute, you guys are going to see it. There was the bars over there. Daily R1 broke above, retest, held, and very, very simply, she's been grinding all the way back up, finally getting above that daily high, previous daily high, or Asia highs, I think it actually might even be at. And now we are seeing that momentum come through. This is the buy position a lot of the guys took earlier. Now a little bit of a drawdown, but on the 15 minutes and those higher time frames, you see it running quite nicely. But the TB ones are again leaning towards that. So we can see daily R2 3,400. I would even say that psychological number will be the first target, but you're so close, you are most likely then going for that. So definitely more on the bullish side for gold. There it is on the way to TP1. But Chad, that's everything from me. I'm going to hand it to big man Ed, and let's see what he's looking.
All right, Chad. Not too dissimilar on my side.
Sorry, my brother. I just want to quickly, Stofie shot for the dono there, my brother. Let's get to 200 likes, and I will dono 2,000. Hey, that is beautiful, guys. Already nearly 200 of you, 81 likes. Let's get those donos up, Chad.
Stofie must be eating this week. So hopefully we can join him, Chad. So very similar analysis to what Keegan had on there. We have broken past the daily R1 on gold. Retested, broke above. So daily R2 likely to be the next target there. What happens at the daily R2 is where things are going to get really interesting. We have Asia lows, which remain untested. So if we were to reach the daily R2, maybe go for a retest, break back within Asia highs, we could potentially see a run for those Asia lows. Overall, I am bullish on gold. But as we can see, we've had pretty much one-way traffic since yesterday around Asian time. So a little bit of a correction of this momentum is not out of the question. Maybe even a 50%. That is the wackest little path there. Let's try that again. Maybe a 50% retrace of that momentum. Coming back down to Asia lows, maybe even daily pivot before continuing that bullish run. That might be in the question today, so it's all going to see what happens at the daily R1 and how we react from there. Moving on to US 30. Similar in the opposite direction, we've gone straight past Asia lows, Asia highs, the EQ and daily pivot remaining untested on here. We've broken down below the daily S1 and previous daily lows, continuing bearish. So I'm going to see what happens at this monthly pivot level here, maybe even that daily S2, and then a little bit of a retrace, maybe to daily S1 to go find resistance there before continuing its bearish run. Might be on the cards. All depends what we do at these key levels is what I'm going to be looking at. IN 2000 might give us something in between these levels. We're going to have to wait and see. But that is what I'm anticipating on US 30. And then last but not least, with NAS, or currently in NAS shorts, we broke below the yearly pivot. We have then broken below a monthly pivot and then below daily S2. So anticipating at least a run for these previous daily lows, maybe even the daily S3. We might see from there to find support and then go test untested Asia highs, maybe even just the EQ, maybe even just a retest of Asia lows before continuing down to the downside. But overall, I am bearish on US 30 and NASDAQ. So that's what I'm anticipating for today. We're going to see what trades we can hop into at these key levels and what the IN 2000 prints for us after market open.
Beautiful, beautiful stuff there, Chad. So yeah, we are going to be quite locked and loaded. See what the markets are ready to do here today. So let's lock in and let's see what's going to happen. It is 15, basically 13 minutes till market open. I hope you guys are ready. Chad, again, do us a favor. Go check it out there. It is pinned in the chat. Go drop us a review there on Trustpilot. It would be greatly appreciated. As I said, we're not going to be naming too many funny things, but we understand it does take some effort. So the reward and the giveaway we're going to do for those guys, purely only the guys who did a review for us are going to be getting something quite nice. So again, it's not your normal giveaway. It is something a little bit different. As we say, we do understand it's a little bit more effort for you guys. But TP1 being hit there on gold. Now let's see, does it go up to TP2 that we spoke about, literally lining up just above that 3400 psychological level. Good outranks. Outranks smoking Joe's above it. What are we talking about here?
What's the goede?
I don't know, my birthday now, and then just afterwards heard it was the bomb. Is the XM giveaway this week? Neil, we actually did have a chat with the guys earlier. There's a good chance it's going to be this week. If not, worst case scenario, it will be early next week. Obviously, we still have Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, so it's not like an early week here. But it should still be this giveaway. How it's going to work, guys, is you're just going to have to keep, so for all those that did enter, just keep a lookout after we did the giveaway. For sometimes those guys are going to give you an unknown phone call. Just because basically you will get the phone call from XM to confirm that you won it, and then from there moving forward, we will obviously be in touch with you after that fact. So just have a look out once we are done with that. I would love to get Vault account giveaway. Hey, my brother, you got to be here then. You got to be ready to go when we do those giveaways. There's an XM giveaway, my brother. It's already closed. It's finished. But there was an XM giveaway. It's when we literally announced our partnership with them. And then we did a PS5 and a 65-inch Samsung QLED Smart TV for the guys. So that was the giveaway, but it is closed at the moment. I already told the boys we're going to have a FIFA tournament at my house. Let's see.
Sells on the German 40 lining up.
Hey.
I want to wait till the market open though.
Hey, so this is what happens when you have a 95 still. Yeah, but the thing is, when we announced that, it was on socials. So clearly, maybe you don't follow us on socials.
Because it was running for a few weeks.
Yeah, and you could have entered any time. It doesn't have to do with your 95. You could have seen the video in the evening and then entered. So that's why it's important to follow us on our socials. Only 75 likes. Stove, it is a little bit higher. It's actually at 100 at the moment. But again, there's still 200. Yeah, guys. I know the 200 of you can definitely get those likes up by another 100. So Stove can do the donor. I know he wants to do it. Let's get it there. I'll not miss that giveaway. There we go, brother. There we go.
Let's go, team.
What I'm going to say is, Gongo, all I'm going to say is if you are wanting to win one, go do a review. Make sure you're giving us a 5-star. Go do that review. Trust me, there's a nice giveaway going to happen for those guys.
Chad, if we get to those 200 likes, I'll do a little flash discount.
Hey.
Do a little flash discount. What are we thinking?
The man's just quickly
because Oaks will complain the 35%'s gone. You want to bring that back for a stream?
Well, we'll see. Let's see if they get there.
Let's see if we get to that 200.
Good afternoon, G's and Chad. Trust everyone doing good. What's up, champ? Hope you're doing well, my brother. You know us. We can't complain on this side. Doesn't help. So we got to just make sure we get those TPs. But the guys are doing very, very well. Also, guys, I don't know if people don't read. And this is, again, I'm honestly not trying to be funny about it, but I don't know if you think we were joking or what it was, but I mean, there's a few of you guys who literally, for example, have gone that route now of messaging our support to be speed run into getting the indicator, and then your guys' best answer is saying Keegan said so, and I'm pretty sure the rest of the chat can back me up here with what we said the minimum deposit is. I think even Ed, what's the minimum deposit?
750 Rand, $40.
There we go. Okay, we all can agree on that, Chad. So when people are messaging, depositing $5 and $10 and saying Keegan said so, I don't know what you are pulling out your ass there, but that was not what I said. I already gave my review and hence the account giveaway. Hey, awesome stuff, brother. You guys are doing well. I'm happy to join y'all at the beginning today. Hey, awesome to have you, my brother. I'm back like I never left. There we go.
Hey.
5 years old, the bro. Like
that's gonna be the tagline of the chat.
My thing is always just like don't do something and then be like, hey, Keegan said so, or Chris said so. Like, no, we did not.
What kills me about stuff like that is like you know support is sitting right here.
Like they're gonna ask us.
Like if I shout loud enough, they can hear me.
They're gonna ask us. Did you say that? What's up, G's and Chad? Snacks ready, hookah pop ready, and I'm ready for New York session. Hey, that's the laugh. Hi, Keegan, bro. You want to try? Yeah, bro. I understand there's a hassle for everyone, so maybe it's like a micro account. You know what? I get it. But again, don't be saying things that aren't true.
They try to flip a $5 to a million rand.
Keegan said you must hit that like button. That I did say. Hit that like and subscribe, Chad. Supporting y'all. Yeah, guys.
Supporting y'all. We're very supported, thank you. Very supported.
We do appreciate it. And again, Chad, Chris and myself just locking it in now earlier. Flights booked, everything booked. So end of May, we will see you guys in Cape Town at the FMIS event. So if you guys want to, make sure to pull in there.
What's the FMIS event?
It's the Financial Markets Expo.
Oh, shit.
So all the brokers are there.
Yes.
All the traders, all the influencers under one roof. This was still the same event last year. People lost their minds because Rydell was taking photos.
I remember that.
Guys.
I remember that.
Yeah. The only thing he said that could work is if you do small deposits, but then it has to add up to 750. Okay, that I did say. Yeah, that I said. So as long as you're building it up, then that's not a problem. We're still waiting, Joburg Keeks. My brother, we were talking about it in London. We will be doing Joburg probably July or so. Will be Joburg. Keys, you're not trading funded accounts anymore. Remember, you were last month busy with 3, if I'm correct. Champ, my brother. Again, I don't know if you were here in New York session. We are trading. We are literally 4.1% up just today alone. So no, I am still trading funded. That's the thing. I post when I needed to prove a point because guys were doubting things. After that, I just work in silence. That's there. You guys know it's there.
Real G's move in silence like lasagna.
It doesn't mean every payout, every certificate, everything I have to post. But no, still busy with him, my brother. What 50% on all...
Whoa. We didn't say that.
Whoa.
We didn't say that.
See you in Cape Town, Keys. Hey, we'll see you there, my brother. I'm going to be there. Got my confirmation email yesterday. Definitely going to look out for the 2Gs. Hey, awesome stuff, brother. We will see you there. When is the Cape Town trip again? Stove, end of May. So it's that Thursday and Friday is the FMIS event. I'm still support that Keek said they come to Jersey in July. It slipped in there, didn't you hear?
Hey, oh.
They don't know what we know. See you guys in Cape. Much love. Awesome. Can't wait to see you guys. Always love meeting up with you guys. I must have missed it. I'm in profits because of this educational channel. I look forward to joining Prodigy next month. Thank you, Keegan and Chris. Hey, all love, my brother. We're great to see you.
Well done.
You guys need a lethal merch top for Cape Town trip. Ooh, I think we could do some of that. We could come up with something very, very nice. Master Maybe, how many W's you taking today with Iron 2000 Keeks? Personally, myself, I think about 6. Okay, I nearly 3 people under the bus there. Other people in the office have taken quite a few. No, I wasn't even talking about you this time. But other people, there's been a lot. If you are using Iron 2000, I think... Okay, Chad, let's just go through this quickly. Just very, very quickly, let's go through gold from this morning. Let's have a look here. So gold, first the sells this morning, massive sells, then the break even. Big buys, There you go. Quick sell, break even, the buy, break even. Sell over there was actually a knock, so a little bit of a knock there. Buys back into it. US 30, let's have a look. What did it do over here for us? So again, US 30 from this morning. Let's see, Tuesday. So you had the first massive sell-off to start the morning. Then you had the one fake signal. Then we had this bad boy sells, then the big sell-off again. Then we had the big buy, then the break even, and that has been it. NASDAQ, if you go over to NASDAQ, you have had one break even, massive TP4. Again, break even on that one past TP1, but a TP3 on the other one, a TP4 on the other one, a TP2 on the other one, a TP1 on the other one, and then a break even. And then you had a TP4 on this one, and a TP4 on the other one, and a TP1 on the other one. And then gold, let's go back to that quickly. I think, did we go over gold? I don't know if we did.
I think you started with it.
We started with gold. Yeah, so there we go. So you guys can see it has been delivering for the guys today. Keys, check the 5-minute time frame, 100% win rate on that. There we go.
And
5 minutes.
I have been saying I prefer the 5. Did the one not get me to DGEN machine gun today and then punish me for it?
So there you go and see it, Chad. 5 minutes. So depending on what time frame you were trading.
Now the 5 is killed today.
You were eating.
The 5 has killed today. Yeah, but Chad, you ever get this weird scenario? I'm not gonna say with whom, but this weird scenario where if you take all the wins, break evens, and losses you've taken for the day, you are very up on the day.
Yeah.
And then you calculate your commissions, and you're no longer very up for the day.
Yeah.
Some people's commissions are crazy, Chad. Yeah.
Yeah, already. It's just, you don't want to trade 90,000. It's a lot of stop losses, guys. Don't trade this thing. Don't trade it. Crackers, you put up commission 90,000 is the new kid on the block. I don't mind. You know, the thing is that Cracker is still there. It's actually been playing still a few guys, bro, G. But I can't send the Cracker every single day because I promise you, for the guys that have seen, when I'm trading, streaming, trying to hide the iron and trying to take the iron and trying to take the Cracker and then sending the Cracker and keeping the guys updating the Cracker and then keeping it jump from the screen, I can't do it. So until I got my other brother back on stream with me, where he can help me manage some things, I can't do the Cracker at the moment. It's just too much for me. But I'm not going to complain because Iron 2000 is still paying the bills, so it's nothing to cry about. Hi guys, I can't find the invite only under indicators on TradingView. Am I supposed to be on a paid plan or something? My brother, right here at the top, indicators, and then invite only. Bang, there you go. Very, very simple. What is the fake signal? 2000 mail asked, but would have missed out on it if explained. It's something we obviously were running with the updates. So basically there is a little margin. So when this thing is starting to, let's just say, give the signal, let's just say there's an idea of volume, and when this thing can't, it's busy crossing over but hasn't crossed over, then yes, it can't, it starts giving those signals, those fake signals. Bonang signals, Bonang's commissions on my monthly withdrawals. Chad, that is also it. Before we carry on, markets are open. Round 4. Ding ding ding, fight.
Round 1, fight.
Actually, Chad. My commissions for today alone. Just over $1,000 is my commissions. What bullshit's that?
If you don't know how the Cracker works by now, you've been living under a rock. Hey, so apparently the guys know how the Cracker works.
Oh, do you?
Apparently.
Do you know about the cheese level and the cherry level and the berry level and all those?
Hey, bro, I leave the gents now. I don't even.
Because there's the I think you guys have dropped enough nuggets where the meat and potatoes of the Cracker are probably out there, but there's little sauces and stuff that turn it into like a 50% hit rate to like more like a 85% hit rate.
I said, bro, I don't know anything. The guys know they onto the cracker.
I was secretly taking every time Keegs would drop something, I'd be like, write that down. And then he stopped talking about it. I'm like, I'm still missing like 2 things here, I think.
Guys are they thinking there. They thinking. 250 of you guys. We are now 128 likes. Just another 72 more likes, Chad. I know you guys can do it. It's easy stuff for you. Smooth like butter, baby.
Come now. Do you want discount or not discount?
Let's see. US study. What are you going to give us today? We are locked and loaded, ready to go. Let's see what happens. Signed last week sometime. Got an email with the iron. Do I get an email with the iron 2000? Signed last week sometime. Garth. So again, this is another thing guys have been asking me like they haven't got the email, but firstly they didn't do the form, they didn't do anything. Now Garth, I'm not saying you, because you said you did the email, or you said you signed last week sometime. You still have to meet the minimum requirements, and you also have to link someone. For example, I was chatting to a guy today, was also asking me and going back and forth with me like, Keegs, I didn't do it, and then came to me and was like, oh, I never used your partner code, so he was never linked to us. That was the problem. So again, there's steps there, guys. Make sure you obviously create the account. Make sure you have the account that is linked to us. The account that is linked to us needs to be funded with a minimum deposit. Again, we check the minimum deposit. So if it's short, it's short. You're not going to get access. It needs to be over $750 or $40. When all of that is done, then yes, you will get it. And if you're still waiting and all those requirements are met, you also can message support, show them proof of all those things, and then you will get access to it. Do we have to have funds in the new account I made under XM with your partner code? Yes. There we go. Minimum deposit I haven't done. Okay, Garth, there we go, my brother. Perfect. There we go. Perfect. Garth, once that is done, once you've done the minimum deposit, again, just as I said, accelerate you a bit. Message support at 2gs-trading.com with proof of the account that is linked to us. And again, I'm sorry guys, I know I'm repeating it, but we've had these issues with other guys. They deposit and then it's not the account that isn't linked to us, and so I know I'm just saying repeating, but just to make sure. So you make sure then send us proof of the account linked to us that you've deposited to our support team, and then they can give you access. If you want to create a new account type, I will have to know if I support. There we go. But let's see what the markets are doing, guys. We're still patiently waiting here. Let's see what these things are going to do. Maybe Iron 2000 gives us a nice trade here today. Yeah, guys, so $750, otherwise $40. Let's see. Rix wins fastest finger. Our next question on who wants to be a millionaire. Hey. Let's see. We're all patiently waiting. How do I get the oh my word. Josh, my brother, please just go back like a few seconds. Just a few seconds. I just explained it. I know you maybe probably just joined, but literally I just finished it. So just go back a few seconds and you're here. Rix will destroy people in a game of Snap. Did anyone using FNB have problems with drawing today on broker accounts? Ooh. I don't know. I'm FNB, but I haven't tried withdrawing anything today, so I can't confirm for you, brother. Come on, markets. What are you going to do today?
This is a slow open.
All right, there we go. F&B has been buggy the last week. I struggled to deposit last week. I suggest pinning that instructions again, Keegs. Yeah, I think we'll move it a little bit later. No problems on private wealth. Yeah, I haven't had any issues as well, Carl. I don't know what's going on.
Oh, private wealth. Fancy schmancy.
Rooks is a killer. Yo, Keegs, but how do I get the indicator? Okay, Shapey, I don't know now. Are you are you trailing, or are you genuinely asking right now?
That is so funny.
Jeepers, some heavy eaters. Oh,
That is so funny.
yo, you guys, Chad, you guys are trolls, eh? I laughed the other day. I'm not gonna name names and just bring old stuff up again, eh? But we laughed. Chris and myself were talking to someone, and the guy just turned around to us. He says, "Listen, if Oaks want to try and get into this trolling war with you guys, they're always gonna lose." He's like, "You Oaks and your community are literally like the kings of trolling people." For keys, I'm still on the lowest level savings accounts. What's that, Chad? I'm on that. I remember, what is it called? It's a Aspire, I think it is, eh?
Yeah.
It is Aspire.
Yeah, it's Spire.
That was like I literally had the card, or like the bank type, that my mom created for me when I was a kid. I took over the account, obviously when I was 18.
Mm.
And I had the same account type, I think, till I was like 19, 20. And only after that, I was like, okay, let me actually start going up in these things. It's like I want to get to level 2 now. I have to shift to Investec Geeks. Big dogs are with them. Brian, so, okay, I know someone that's with them. And the pure reason they went to Investec, so I'm not sure which one it is, but it's also the Investec metal card. So I don't know what they call that one, but it's like the top of the line one. It's the only card in the world apparently that you can tap for $1 million.
What card's this?
The top of the line Investec card.
Hectic.
I don't know who would tap for $1 million, but
What are you tapping?
can.
Like,
Yeah.
what are you even buying?
Yeah, I don't know. I'm gonna go buy my mansion and tap
I'm
for
gonna
it.
tap for it. Hectic.
Is that the one with the orange? I have no clue, Tariq. Like, from what the cards are today, it's different. The cards in the back, and when I was like growing up and I had them, they still had like the pictures on them.
Mm.
So it wasn't even the gold ones yet. It was also like it was a black card, but it had a lot of color on it, and it even had like a picture on it. Where obviously every card now, bloody days, is a black card. I still have the gold card. Investing anyway, yeah.
Iron 2000 setting up a gold.
And I think that's the same one I'm talking about.
Gold cells.
Buy, you need big money to open that account and Investec. Tap for mill as well. Keegs, you like superbikes? I love them, bro. I'm literally looking to get a new one again soon. Aspire for the win. Mine is a zebra on it. Hey. Isn't the Investec ones the one with the zebras? I know they like
I know,
theme thing
yeah.
is a zebra, but I don't know if
They
they
do-
cards.
they
Do
do
the
have-
cards have zebras on it?
No idea. I know that's their logo.
TG's trading that card gonna expire soon. I'm still using Bob T. But you see, guys, that's Chrissy there. As you always said, the man's a troll, bro. He's gonna rock up there and be like, guys,
Chris is
sorry.
a master troll. Freaking master.
Just like, sorry, guys. Just gold card coming through, yeah, sorry. Is that gold sell under Asia highs? I don't know. I'm not on gold right now.
It's above Asia highs.
Let's have a look here. Gold. Oh, damn. Already hit TP1. Yes, that was fast. Damn, that was quick. You was investing you for about 2 years now. Yo, why are the charts so slow today?
You're not meant to eat.
Is there a reason my Iron 2000 didn't give that signal? Bram, which signal? The sell on gold?
It might be the broker chart you're on.
Okay, let's have a look here. So that is Black Bull that we use. Let's go over to our Anda. Anda also gave it. So yeah, I don't know. Are you on the 1 minute? We're obviously on the 1 minute. It didn't hit TP1. It opened like that. How does the candle open here? Because remember, these things move. How did the candle open here and hit TP1?
No, I think that bullish candle is where it printed.
Is this on the print?
Yeah, it printed at the bullish candle.
I'm with you. All right. My apologies. I'm with you. I'm with you now. I understand. GTA 6 trailer is out.
Hey!
Technically, it was out. This would just be a part 2.
I was saying, there's another trailer.
Yeah, this would be the second trailer, but technically the first one was out. Yes, the gold, yeah, Blackpool. Sorry, it was on the 5 minute. No problem, brother. The signal printed on the bull print. Yeah, no, Hirsch, as I said, my apologies. You were correct there.
Ruin, you're going to have to explain yourself there.
So, Keegan, I joined your live yesterday. Awesome. We are glad to have you back here today. Come on, US 30. Give us something. Oh, Chad. The guys had to go there. Let's have a look here on the 5. Still nothing on the 5? Nope. Not giving us anything yet. We gotta be patient.
Oh, no, I get it.
I've got to close my long position yesterday, and now I have $200. Lol, you're the best.
Hey, well done.
Hey, that's a happy ending.
Well done. Go buy yourself something nice.
That is a happy ending. The invite only part isn't there under my community on indicators. Help, or I'm taking my ex back. He gets his tech stuff better than me. Oh my word. KM, okay. If it is not under invite only, then you probably have not been added yet. So yeah.
Yeah, the invite only appeared after I got an invite or something.
Yeah, you have to have an invite first.
Yeah.
So maybe some of your steps aren't done, or they have not done processing you yet. Anyone with GTA 6 cheat codes in advance, as well as just attacks appear, so gold might pump. Ooh, okay, all right.
What about gold pumping then?
No problem. Basically, safe haven stuff.
Oh.
Can I email support with screenshots for the 99? Just did the deposit now. Yeah, Garth, message support. They will sort you out. They'll fast track you. I'm watching TDW stocks. Might take a small buy and sit on it until GTA 6 launches. Ooh. There is a tutorial video on the TG page about the grubber. Oh, someone asking about the grubber.
The grub.
I didn't even see that message.
Have we set up a grub? Wait.
Smart move. I've been saying buy take 2. I get like 15 alerts on every signal, then TV cancels that alert.
I don't think we've set up a grubber. Oh, the reverse grubber. We could maybe do a reverse grub.
7 will be sorted later tonight. There we go. Come on. We are waiting for volume here, Chad. As much as I'd love to take a trade, literally nothing has happened so far. So unfortunately, I'm sitting here twiddling my thumbs.
Twiddling, twiddling.
260 of you guys. We only need 50 more likes. If you haven't yet, please drop a like. We would be greatly appreciated. Also, guys, again, check out the pin thing there. Go drop a review on Vault Thunder, on Trustpilot. Again, we understand it's a little bit more effort, but you will be rewarded. All of the guys who have done a review for us on Trustpilot, all those reviews and people will be put into a giveaway for something a little nice. US 30 on the 5 minute might print a sell a little later if we can break the pre-market low. There we go, Chad. You heard it here first.
We'll also be breaking that monthly pivot if we can get past there.
So let's see.
Excuse me, weekly pivot. Good sign, good sign.
Come on. Give us something. We are waiting patiently. You should have to come on for everything there. If you markets for US 38, that's it.
Yes, sir.
Now you guys know I2000 uses the pivots. There you go.
Are we telling people secrets now? Okay.
It's fine, bro. We're going to have to just send Chris back to the cupboard and he's going to have to come up with something new.
He owes us at least one more indicator before...
Put that in your code pipe and smoke it.
He owes us at least one more indicator.
Oh, we're waiting there for the key gun. Until now, the key gun would have given us a signal.
Well, they're giving us 10 by now. It's been, what's it been? 20 minutes since market opened.
Neil, that's one of the problems we're sorting out tonight. That's so basically for the guys now with V2, it's basically the same thing as a false signal. So it's the alerts and that are still triggering, but it's not showing. But yeah, those are basically false signals. My makeshift cracker paid today, lol.
Well done, guys.
Technically, if you guys know one of the concepts of the cracker, one we've spoken about a few times, that would have told you a direction to take on market open. So that alone could have given you a trade there today. I don't want keygun. I already have to control myself with this current I2000. Pivots, black balls, and inverse fair value gaps. Scribble in there. Oh my word. Hey, very there stop loss on gold for the guys that took that. I always look at that concept. It's a very nice concept.
The 1 minute is not doing great today.
I think the guys underestimate that concept. Alright, Chad, we're waiting here still. Give us something on 2000. Give us something. We're all patiently waiting. Fully more likes, Chad. Nearly there. Waiting on USD now. Why do we always start analyzing DXY chart? because that is the dollar. Keeks, go to the 5 minutes. Ooh, are you telling me? Is it doing some naughty things on the 5? My 5 minutes is not loading though. Signal will print in the next 3 minutes. Alright. Mine just is taking a bit of a coffee break first. It's like the Ferrari team, just taking a bit of a tea break before I can see what's going on. So let's have a look here, Chad. Is Cribbo onto something, or is he setting us up here? Thanks, Brian. There we go. Beautiful stuff. Let's see. That is looking very, very good.
What is that? The US 30?
The US 30.
US
There's a part of me, Chad. Do we catch a falling knife here and go for the buys? Done my review as well. Beautiful stuff. The radio messages to his pit were outstanding. Yeah, I loved it, bro. That man is gutful now. Come on, US 30.
Be aggressive. Be aggressive.
We want to trade. To be fair, I don't know why we haven't been trading NASDAQ, bro. 90,000 is brutalizing NASDAQ.
Brutalized before you arrive.
I know, but is there any correlation or something? Okay, G Woo. I'm gonna do you a very simple answer to that. You want to look at the dollar because what is US 30? US 30 is the top 30 US based companies. NAS 100. I think you can figure that one out. And gold. What is gold against? Gold versus the dollar. So all three of the pairs we trade here in New York session are all related to the dollar. Alright, I sent an email. Time to be patient. There you go, my brother. Sure, it will be sorted out before the end of the day. I guess a specific fee to use for NAS for I-2000. The last time I did was I still use Oanda for NAS. I haven't had a problem with that. Heck, the 3 minute keys. Oh, damn, we're going to 3 minutes now. Are we on the 3 minute now? Oh, yeah, that's 3 months. 3 minute. Oh, damn. Did it give a trade?
Yeah, there's a trade on the 3.
The 3 minute gave a trade. Ooh. Chad, are we going to be frisky? Are we going to try a 3 minute trade? I don't know how I feel about that. I've literally never in my life looked at the 3 minute chart. Nah. I don't know how I feel about this one.
I don't like the levels it's in.
My thing is, yes, it broke that weekly, daily S2, but now it still needs to hold it for resistance first.
Still needs to hold it. It could just as easily spike back up from right here.
So I don't know about that one. Thank you, no problem, brother. Are we looking to hold this weekly pivot and sell on US 30? That would be very, very nice. But again, we have to obviously just react to what the charts give us. We have an idea, but as I said, we could have a continuation sell, or we could get the plays. Like I said, this could be the falling knife catching at the daily S2, and this thing can turn around. 5 minute printing. There we go. 5 minute giving the signal. Oh, but now again, do you wait for it? Do you just take it? I know Chris just takes it, so he's already in it.
I don't like where it is, eh?
Chris, why are you doing this to us?
I don't like where it is. NAS also printed the same. And between the two, NAS is the weaker one on the day, so that might be a better one. US 31% down on the day, NAS 1.4% down on the day. If we look at the relative strength.
Don't do this to us, Chris. Do we take it?
Full bot. Full Magen.
5 minute giving signal on NAS as well. Ooh.
Full Magen.
And 2K on a roll today. Oh, Chad. What is it going to do? What is it going to do? The guy's saying Nas also giving the signal. So there's US30 now testing that weekly pivot. Remember, this is what we spoke about, Chad. This is what we spoke about, what we want to see happen here now. Is this where we see it reverse, have a little bit of a pullback? Still nothing on the 1 minute though. So we still, it's just that 5, just the 5 giving us something. Does it hold, Chad? Does it hold for us? This is that moment. Ooh. Has someone at least dropped off water for Chris in the cupboard? Do you ration his progress? We ration it depending on the performance. So he's gotta work for it. So gold still doing its own thing over here. Let him sweat. Taking the US30. Alright. So the guys are in it, they're ready for it. The guys are not sleeping yet.
Did you take the US31?
I have it, bro. I'm not the 5 minutes. As I said, guys, you guys know me. I'm a 1 minute boy at the moment. I don't know how I feel about this 5. And I still made the joke of buying because you're gonna catch it on that daily as too.
I think it might reverse off there, right?
So that's.
I think that would be such a good spot for it to reverse off.
So yeah, I don't want to be funny about that. But this thing.
If the Iron 2K wasn't a thing, that would be my plan.
Oh.
That rejected it perfectly on the 15.
Here's the 5 closure. Now it's in place. Let's see what happens here, ladies and gents. Let's see. Does Iron 2K come to the party now?
If it does run to the downside, then it's gonna run for a bit.
So this on the 15, if we do look at it, the 15 did take out the lows. The 15 is still looking quite good. So I will say on the 15, not looking too bad. I don't think it's a done game yet. Let's see what happens here, Chad.
26 more likes, Chad. 26 more likes. Let's get to 200.
Hey, Chad, we know you guys can do it.
And then we might give you a little thumb. A little thumb.
Live stream chat, at least Ed still enjoys Heroes.
It's a calming song, man. It's a calming song.
Let's see here, Chad. You know me, I'm waiting on the 1 minute. I don't want to say, Chad, I said let's be a bit aggressive and buy down there. But I also don't want to go against Iron 2000 right now.
High risk situation.
What is Iron 2000? So NAS, let's have a look at what is NAS doing, Chad. 1 minute, nothing. So I gave that sell earlier. The 5 minute, it's also in that sell. It is still in that sell. Is it gonna hold out yet, Chad? Give me that something, Ed.
Yeah, you gotta earn it. You gotta earn it.
Gold doing nothing. Yeah, all of the pairs aren't really doing anything too crazy yet. There's still a good chance they could wake up and try to do something. Chad, I'm going to put it on edge screen for us there quickly. Edge key. Just take the off the bottom there, bro. Here we go.
There we go. So Chad, Iron 2K might take its first loss in the 5 here. But it bounced off some really powerful levels. So we're going to see what happens. 16 more likes, Chad. Let's get those likes up to 200. And Stove going to donate his little 2K for the Iron 2K. I'm assuming that's how you picked the number. And we might throw a little something your way. A little thumb. A little token of appreciation. See what gold's doing. Gold ranging a little bit above those Asia highs. Market being slow. That 2K don is going straight to edge. Every bit counts. Every bit counts, Slush. 2K. That could pay for the first tank of gas. Oh, does SARS have a notification policy? What do you mean? What did I miss? What's going on? Wait, let me see here. SARS notification. You mean those SMSs they send you? Notification. You can request a notice of registration. No. Or a phone call. Hey, okay. They normally just send me emails like your pay as you earn is due or whatever it is. Let's refresh here. How are we doing the likes? 188, come on. Almost to that 200. Let's get them likes up. We need 200 likes. There's 280 of you guys watching. Come on, don't be greedy. Don't be selfish. Don't be stingy with the free like. Ed, what's the RR for the IN2K? So TP1, which is typically where you go break even, would be, what's this thing called? Would be 0.5. TP2 is 1R. TP3 is 2R. So all depends on what your particular risk management strategy is going to be like. If you go for the TP2s, the 1Rs, your hit rate's obviously going to be a lot higher. If you go for the TP3s, your hit rate's obviously going to be a lot lower, but it might average out to a greater RR over time. All depends. We're still doing some of the back testing to see which strat is best over time, and which strat is best is dependent on which time frame you're taking it. So on the higher time frames, it seems like the higher TP targets seem to be more the thing. Lower time frames, the lower TP targets, more of a thing. So all depends on how you guys use it. But you guys are going to be forward testing this in real time, so you can give us some feedback and be like, listen, on US 30 on the 15-minute, definitely go for TP4. RR is better on that. It's going to be very pair dependent, time frame dependent. Also, Chris has been playing around with at TP1. The difference between going break even at TP1 or halving your stops at TP1, because that also has its own outcome at the end. So all depends. Oh shit! Have we hit? Is that 200? It's 200 likes, Chad. Well done. Good stuff. Stop loss on that US 30. I did say I do not like where these levels are. That was a high risk strat. Oh, not a high risk strat, a high risk trade to enter there. Bouncing off that, what was this? Daily S2 and weekly pivot. We're always going to bounce off that. Even if we do continue lower after, these two levels are quite hefty boys to get through. Hence why I did not feel comfortable entering on that. All right, Chad. Okay, I need to get to my other actual work computer. I'll cook you guys something. A little shum. A little special little discount code for the Chad. Seeing as we got rid of the 35% discount codes are gone. We might give you a little something. Did you take it on the prop firm account? I didn't take it. I didn't take this one. I didn't like where it was. I did not like where it was. Ed, how far back can you guys go? I see I can go only 1.5 months back. Depends on the trading view plan you're on. So if you're on the free one, they limit it to, I think, 10,000 candles or something of the sort. And then if you're on the basic package, you have a few more you can go back to. And then if you're on the professional or whatnot, you can go back even further. So it all depends on your trading view thingy. Bicycle signal. Triggered on Golide. What time frame is this? I'm not seeing it. Stove, you legend. Where's the horn? Okay, the horn's all the way over there. Stofy, you beauty. Stove, thank you so much. That is a freaking amazing little dono. I'm sure Chris is gonna want to do some good with that. Probably donate it to charity or something of the like. I'll let him decide on what he's gonna do there. But that is amazing, Chad. May your trading be blessed, my good man. May your trading be ever blessed. What a ledge. Ed, why did the 35% discount code leave us? Jason, it was never gonna last forever, chum. This is a business after all. FTMO only does 2 discounts a year. I think Black Friday and on their birthday. And they only give out 10%. The 35% discount was never going to last forever, Chad. The 2G's discount code is dropped down to a 30. It will be going down to a 25 sometime soon, and it's going to keep trickling down after that. Yeah. So if you guys have been dragging your feet on purchasing your account, you best stop doing that, because all the discount codes are coming down in total discount. Because I said so. Because I'm in charge of all that. Actually, can I get access to the back end from here? I'm sure I could. Right, Chad, give me a second. Let's see. What's the thing called now? Let me check here. Let me whip you guys up a little sum. I'm sure I can access it from this laptop, right? Or this computer, rather. No, not you, not you. Let me bless the Chad. This one right here. That should be it. Yes. How do I access this code now? I can access it from my phone. Chad, let me give you a little thumb. Let me give you a little thumb. Courtesy of Stove. He blessing the Chad, so we gonna bless the Chad back. Now where am I looking for? Outlook. I'm looking for Outlook. All right, let's go here. Yes. No. We will need to update that banner. It was meant to be done yesterday, but Mo got himself the little Coco V, so he's man down. So we'll eventually get to all that stuff. Neil, yes I will. Yes I will. We'll keep this one valid till midnight. It will only be for today, Chad. That's all you get. Okay, I'm in. Create little new discount code. And we're going to call this discount code Stove. Okay. Discount code on everything. It's going to be a one-time use only code, Chad. Courtesy of the Stove. And Stove, let me just make sure I'm spelling your name right. Yes, okay. 35%. One-time use. It is valid till midnight tonight. All right, Chad, there you go. Code STOFE. 35% off, valid until midnight tonight. Boom, Bob's your uncle. You're welcome. Ah, Neil, thank you. Thank you. We do what we can for the Chad. We do what we can. All right. That's done. US 30 running. Now, if it wasn't for the IN2K, would I have taken this trade? Wait, let's reverse out here. Yeah, I probably should have taken that. We're going to see what happens now at the daily S1. Previous daily lows. If we can break above there and close. Going for Asia highs might be a thing. Rux, both the one-step and the two-step. It is forever a thing. Everything. Everything. 35% off. Everything. Only valid till midnight tonight. I did not ask Chris's permission to do that, though. I am risking getting tuned out, Chad. But it's okay. I'll take the heat. I'll take the heat. Bernadette, the one step only has one challenge phase in it. So you have to pass the phase. Once you pass phase 1, you go into funded. The difference being you only have, I think, 6% maximum drawdown and I believe 4% daily drawdown. So the rules are a little bit tighter, but you only have to pass the one step, and then you are funded. So if you're a little bit less patient and you are okay with having tighter risk management, the one step might be for you. I myself not a huge fan. I prefer the looser restraints, but if your brain works that way, go for it. I don't know where Keegs is. Caitlin came to come call him about something and he disappeared. I don't know what's going on. They're probably having one of those secret meetings where I'm going to hear about something really cool that they're doing like weeks after it's already been organized, and somehow I missed the bus on it. They're breaking the bathroom. Listen, no lie. Was it yesterday? When was it? I think it was yesterday. The reason I was on the stream yesterday is because Keegs was breaking the bathroom. I was like, it's cool. I'll tag myself in. Okay. Yo, Chad, price action is not the greatest today. We have movement, like from market open in London, which was here. I mean, we moved 450 pips, give or take. You just don't like how we've done it.
Chad, I'm obviously I missed this. I'm not gonna say I said so.
The buying off
The let's catch a falling knife.
Yeah.
Damn.
I will admit that I struggle to multitask, man. So all the focus on IN2K, I'm no longer trading with my own discretion anymore. Because that bounce off the daily S2, that was textbook. That was freaking textbook. Same thing on gold. If we can break back in Asia highs, at least a tap of that daily R1, previous weekly lows, Asia lows somewhere down there. That's probably going to be a thing. That's probably going to be a thing if we can break back in.
Oh, markets, where are you? What are you doing? The fact for me, Chad, yeah, we really, what a solid move. We are at that previous daily low. Did I 2001 give any trade on you say? That is amazing.
Bless you and all those you drowned.
Rix Keegan said so. That I did say so. Keys, can we get an air horn for did Stofey do
Hey, he donated 2K, bro. He donated 2K.
We gotta definitely go like on that. Hey, Stofey, appreciate you, my brother.
Hey.
You are a real one, my brother. We definitely appreciate you, brother. Shot for the dono. Check the 30
Check the 30 second. How DGEN do you want to be?
Chad, you guys are on your own little level there.
Ah, damn it.
What is going on here? Is JW and Fobs actually going at each other, or do they know each other?
Eh? What's happening?
I don't know. I'm just seeing.
Go frolic in the tulips.
I'm so confused on what's going on here. Are the guys?
I don't know.
I clearly missed out. I changed my name.
It's whimsical. I like it.
I changed my name. Okay, who is JW?
Who are you, stranger?
Who is JW? Oh, okay. I'm with you. Hey, Johnny. Johnny.
A little reminder, Chad, your discount code expires at midnight tonight.
He's bossed. I love it. I love it. That's the way to do it.
After that, kiss your 35% goodbye for a long time. You'll miss these days when the
use code STOVE. Hey, did we make it code
Yeah,
STOVE?
make it code STOVE.
Hey.
You'll miss these days when the only discount available is a 10%er.
Yeah. You guys are gonna miss it. Let's see. Come on, give us something. Yeah. Gold still not doing anything. Let's have a look here. Gold still nothing on the one. USD, we're still waiting for something on the one, Chad. You guys know me. I say I'm a 1 minute boy. We are waiting.
Patience is a virgin. She's waiting.
It takes her time. Thanks, Stove. Just bought an account. Hey, there we go.
Hey, well done. Well done.
Stofey helping out the community.
What a ledge. What a hero.
We are patiently waiting for USD to do something.
Looks like we're getting
If I buy a VF account, can I let it simmer until load time to actually be profitable? Technically you can, but I think there's a 30-day inactivity clause. So if you just place like the tiniest lot, open and close it every 29 days, then you are fine. Then you can do that if that's what you want to do. Patience is what it.
Huh? What? I didn't say anything. Huh? We're getting a Iron 2000 sell on the 1 minute on gold.
Oh, on gold.
Breaking back into those Asian highs. See, I like that. That I like.
That's, yeah, but again, I'm going to wait for that closure. That closure, I think, yeah, for me is the...
If it can close below Asia highs, I like that.
Yeah, VF will also send you a 7-day reminder. There you go. Shot, Jason. Let's see. There we go. Sell triggered on gold. Oh, closing on the Asia highs. I'm not a big fan of that. If this can close back in, I think I'd like it. But until then, I'm not a big fan of that trade.
I'll take it on my little DGEN account.
I'm going to wait here, Chad. I want to see what this thing's going to do. I want to see a movie on US 30. I definitely don't think it is done yet.
Alright, I'm in on gold sells on my little DGEN.
Did it break back in?
Not yet. I just like the setup. I'm gonna risk it for the biscuit.
Alrighty.
Only because I forgot this DGEN even existed.
Sure. Chad, that's how you know you're profitable. You just forget about counts there.
I was like, wait a second. Don't I have a little grub account I don't care about? I'm gonna use that.
Just like, let's just use this other accounts. I mean, oh well, it's just there.
It's only a couple dollars, nothing major. I won't miss it if I blow it.
Like, no one's worried about this old thing. People probably wouldn't even notice.
Although if it hits the TP I want, suddenly I'm gonna care about this account again. I think that daily R1. I think I'll gun for that. Wait, let's see what the 4-hour structure been looking like. Oh, this thing could. Am I gonna risk it for the biscuit? Am I gonna risk it for the biscuit?
Do it.
Ah, but gold is bullish. Gold is bullara.
Don't be a chicken.
If you are chicken, you get sliced like chicken.
Ah, there we go.
Ah, you know what, Chad? Like I said, if I blow this account, I don't actually care. Let's see if we can make this something. The risk interview guy is definitely a DGEN in the office. Listen, today I was the DGEN for sure. I was def the DGEN today. I mean, Chris was a solid second, like not too far behind, but yeah. Actually, it's only a couple doll hairs. Nothing major. If this hits TP though, hey, weekend money. We party. I'm a family-sized chick. Hey, protein. Protein for the boys. Okay, let's see what happens. We deep in blues right now. I've already doubled the account actually, because I full sent this thing.
Yeah.
I full sent this thing.
Let's put it on there with Ed. I know the guys are wondering what did What did he do? What are these DGEN activities?
Entered on the 1 minute. The 1 minute closed in Asia highs. And I'm anticipating a little bit of a pullback because we've had very bullish price action for a while. So I'm anticipating going down to this. What is this? A monthly, weekly? What is this? Weekly R1.
What are these DGEN activities?
Is that ambitious? Very. But Asia highs, I mean Asia range pumped like nobody's business. So I am going to trail stops on the way down though. So we will catch something. We will catch a little some. If it hits TP, Chad, this would be a very good. I'm going to have a very good weekend. I'm just saying. They will be beverages.
There will be signs.
They will be female company.
Yeah.
Who may or may not have been paid for.
Ed, you would be a family-sized chicken.
Ah, I saw that.
Yeah.
Ed, not furries. Did I make
Oh,
furry jokes on this? Oh,
Protein shakes.
good heavens.
Yeah.
Chad, did I talk about furries on here?
Ed making Mavericks money by the sounds of it. Hey, bro. When I told you that, man, he's on a mission to get that 86.
Hey, aren't you guys heading off to Cape Town? Yeah, take me with, man. Mavericks.
Man's like, hey, I want to be there too.
Hey, I must party also. I must party also.
Don't forget about me. All right, Chad. Ed making measurement this time. Ed, you loose goose.
I will not be governed, Brian. I will not be governed.
Chad, but all I am going to say, unfortunately, it is that time. I do have to get home because I've got to get a gym and I've got to get back because I've got an important meeting later tonight. So I kind of need things to all go as to plan so I'm not late for other stuff. But Ed, let's just talk to the guys here. What would your management be for this trade before we go?
So, Chad, I am actually going break even on this bad boy as we speak.
There we go.
Because we hit TP1 on the 1 minute. TP2 is going to be 1R. So, if you want to be conservative and not a DGEN, it's probably best for you to take your profits at 1R. Take the win. Enjoy New York. Have a blessed day. What I'm going to do... I also entered a little bit early, which caught such a nice entry. What I'm going to do, when we get to... I think it's a daily R1. Yeah, when we get to daily R1, I'm going to put in a little alert there for myself now, because I am also vamoosing. And then a little alert at break even. When we get to daily R1, I'm then going to trail stops. Going to go with structure. So whatever the most recent high is, I'm going to put my stops right there. And then just let this bad boy keep going. Next point of management will be previous weekly high. Move stops to next lower high. And then keep trailing it that way. That's going to be my management for this trade. Hopefully it gives us some nice weekend money, and if we hit break even, well, I forgot this account existed anyway, so nothing lost.
Yeah, but Chad, that is how you're going to look at that type of trading. But Chad, that's pretty much it. Not much to go over our side. I wanted to catch a falling out for the first time in my life. I didn't, and I regret it. So we're going to see. Iron 2000, again, been a very, very successful day. Took a little shots now at the end of the day, but that's the thing. They're still very young. If you guys know Iron 2000, this thing gives signals all the way up till literally like 3 minutes before market close.
Yeah.
So definitely it is not a done day yet. I think once I'm home, maybe I'm on the treadmill or something later, I'll be looking at what Iron 2000 is doing. But Ed, thanks for joining me today, my brother.
Absolute pleasure, my good
Chad,
man.
it has been a good one. Again, Stofie, massive shout out to you, my brother, for that dono. And to you, Chad, for those 270 likes. There's still finishing the session, and we are still going at 223. You guys are absolutely amazing.
Also, don't forget, code STOFE, 35% off, expires at midnight tonight. Do not waste time.
So make the most of it, Chad. As always, from us, Chad, take care of yourselves, take care of each other. Peace and love, baby. Cheers, Chad.
Let's have a bit of fun till I downfall. My love, if you feel like I do right now, don't say you're on the run to the other side. My love, you say you wanna try, but you never do. Sugar, there's a reason why we lose.
Scalping.